Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we make this easy peasy fluffy cake with a thick layer of creamy whipped topping and chocolate ganache. In a whisking bowl, beat 3 eggs with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar for 5 minutes. Pour 200 ml of fresh milk and 100 ml of vegetable oil and continue beating. Add in 2 tablespoons of sifted cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour and whisk briefly. Pour the cake batter in a greased ovenware. Bake for 20 minutes in an oven preheated at 175 degrees. After cooled slightly, poke holes on the surface of the cake with the help of a toothpick. Now pour 300 ml of fresh milk onto the cake. In a bowl, whisk 150 grams of chantilly powder with 300 ml of cold, fresh milk. Add in 3 tablespoons of chocolate spread and whisk again. Spread the cream over the cake and refrigerate for an hour. For the ganache, melt 80 grams of dark chocolate with 200 ml of heated milk cream. Cover the cream layer with the cooled ganache. Refrigerate for at least 3 or 4 hours. Decorate as you desire and serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon if you haven't done so. Thanks for watching.